everyone. Welcome back to English 365, where learning English is fun and easy.
Hi there. I'm so excited you're here today. We have a very special lesson, how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Yes, whether it's at school, work, or a cafe, speaking confidently makes a huge difference.
By the end of this lesson, you will know simple phrases, practice dialogues, and tips to start conversations without fear.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite line from today's lesson. Section 1. Greeting anyone confidently. First, let's start with greetings. Simple greetings are powerful.
Here are 3 easy phrases. Hello, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you. Good morning.
Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Dialogue. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Your turn. Try saying, hi, nice to meet you. Common mistake. Saying, hello, you good? Remember, always say, how are you? Cultural tip. In English, smiling while greeting makes you sound friendly and confident. Section 2. Introducing yourself.
Next, introductions. Saying who you are is simple but important.
Use these phrases. My name is. I'm. Nice to meet you. I'm. Dialogue. Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Emily. I'm David. Nice to meet you too.
Your turn. Say, hi, I'm. Extra vocabulary. You can add, I work as a, or I study to give more detail. Section 3. Asking simple questions.
Now let's ask simple questions to keep the conversation going.
Useful questions include, where are you from? What do you do? Do you like? Dialogue. Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from New York. Your turn. Ask, do you like coffee?
Pronunciation tip. Coffee sounds like coffee, not ko-fi.
Common mistake. Forgetting do in questions. Always say, do you? Section 4. Giving simple compliments.
Compliments are great to start a friendly conversation.
Phrases you can use are, I like your shirt. That's a nice bag. You have a great smile. Dialogue. I like your shoes.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Your turn. Say, I like your bag. Cultural tip. In English, compliments are often followed by a smile to show sincerity. Section 5. Ending conversations politely.
And let's finally learn how to end conversations politely.
Useful phrases. It was nice talking to you. I hope we meet again. Have a great day. Dialogue. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was. Have a great day.
Your turn. Say, I hope we meet again. Remember, ending conversations politely leaves a good impression. Mini story / real life examples. Story 1. At a cafe. Imagine you are at a cafe.
You see someone reading a book you like.
You can say, hi, I like that book. Have you read other books by this author?
The person replies, yes, I love them. Which one is your favorite?
Comprehension check. What question did Emily ask?
Story 2. Meeting a new classmate.
You meet a new classmate at school.
You say, hi, I'm David. What class are you in?
The classmate says, I'm in English 101. And you?
Key lines to remember. Hi, I'm David. And what class are you in?
Question. How do you introduce yourself?
Interactive review.
Let's review.
True or false? Say, hello. You good? Is correct English.
Fill in the blank. Blank, nice to meet you.
Repeat after me. I'm confident in conversation.
Great! Share your sentence in the comments. Hi, I'm blank. I like blank.
Bonus practice.
Here's a challenge. Next time you meet someone new, try saying, Hi, I'm blank. Nice to meet you. Do you like blank?
Practice this 3 times today. Notice how your confidence grows.
Closing. That's all for today. You learned greetings, introductions, questions, compliments, and polite endings.
Keep practicing and remember, confidence comes from small steps.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment your favorite line, share this video, and come back for the next lesson.
You're doing great. Keep talking and smiling. See you next time.